Hello folks and hello Banggood. This is about latest shipment from you. It's a quick review. I purchased this from Banggood. You will see some parts from the website about this item as well. This is Soldering Paste 2, as you can see, fresh, unopened still. I will not open it now. I will read on one of them. It's clearly written 50 grams, so there should be 50 grams of soldering paste inside of this package. Before we check these, before I move on measuring these soldering pastes, I want to show you this. This is unpacked package of tea, rose hip tea, as you can see. Okay, this way, and it says here that it contains 20 small packages of 3 grams per package of tea. So this should be at least 60 grams heavy, but weight it should be 60 grams. But let's see. Let's use this one first. It's 0. Check it. It's 0. Okay. Now I'm placing this. Look at numbers. 82 grams. Let's perform another testing. This is vitamin C package. It says here 20 tablets and in total 90 grams. So this weight of this should be 90 grams. I can bet it's higher than 90 grams because at least here everybody counting only what is inside the package. Let's check this. 110. Let's test these now. This one 34 grams. Check it. 34 grams. First one. Second one. 36 grams. Sorry Banggood, but there should be at least 50 grams, if not more, but at least 50 grams should be there. Okay, let's move this. Let's just perform another. Let's wait 0. You see it 0. Okay. Now first to show this how much. Check it. 82 grams, same like before. Okay. How much is this? Let's check. Show it. 110 grams. So let's test for Banggood this. This one going a little more on side of Banggood. 35 grams. Still 15 grams less than it should be. And this one 37 grams again. What I would say, I was reading and check this from the internet. I was reading other reviews on Banggood. Everybody says this soldering paste, it's good, it's perfect for soldering work and such thing. I believe in that, but I have other complaints about same. Thank you all for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel because this is just first of many reviews which will be recorded in near future, even maybe today. Thank you, bye bye.
Bye.